All right, you know what a candle is. You know where support and resistance live. Now we're getting into the real language of the market. See, candlestick patterns. They're not magic, they're psychology. They're the market showing you exactly what traders are thinking, right there on the chart. You've got your hammers, your engulfing candles, your dojis. Each one tells a story. A hammer, that's indecision turning into confidence. An engulfing candle, that's one side of the market completely taking over. These patterns don't guarantee anything, but they do give you an edge. They show you momentum shifts before they even happen. They show you where institutions are stepping in and taking position. In this video, you're going to learn the 5 patterns that actually move the markets, not the 47 obscure ones nobody uses, the 5 that actually work. Because trading isn't just about knowing everything, it's about knowing what matters. Now let's go. But real quick, if you're serious about this trading education, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, follow us. We're building something real here, and we need you to help us reach more people who are trying to actually learn this stuff, not just get rich quick schemes. You're here, you're learning, help us bring more people in who want to do the same. Let's build this community together. First one, the hammer. Picture this, price drops hard, sellers are in control, but then something happens. Buyers step in. They push price back up, and you get this candle, small body, long bottom wick. What's that telling you? Rejection. The market rejected those lower prices. You seeing a hammer form at support, that's a potential bounce. You seeing it at resistance, that's a potential breakdown turning into a reversal. Have you spotted one of these on your chart? That's what we are hunting for. Now, pattern number 2, engulfing. This one's easy to spot. Previous candle is small. Next candle, it swallows it completely. I mean completely. Bullish engulfing, that's buyers taking full control. Bearish engulfing, sellers just locked in and took over. Why does this matter? Because it shows a shift, a momentum switch. What was happening before, it's over now. When you see an engulfing candle, the market just made a decision. Question is, are you paying attention? Pattern 3, the doji. Open and close are basically the same price. Long wicks on the top and bottom. What's that telling you? Indecision. Pure indecision, matter of fact. Buyers and sellers battled it out and neither one won. Now here's the key. A doji alone doesn't predict anything, but a doji at support, at resistance, after a strong move, that's when the market is questioning itself. That's where reversals happen. You seeing the pattern? Location matters though. Pattern number 4, a shooting star. This one looks like a doji's evil twin. Small body at the bottom, long wick shooting up to the sky. Sellers tried to push price down, failed. Buyers came in, but then the rejection came from above. Price came back down. What that mean? The highs are rejected. If you're looking at resistance and the shooting star forms, that's a rejection signal. That's sellers saying, not here, not today. You trading resistance levels. Shooting stars are your friend. Now, pattern number 5, the morning star. This is a 3 candle pattern. First candle down, second candle small, could be up or down, doesn't matter. Third candle up. What's happening? You got selling pressure, then uncertainty, then buyers came back in strong. That's a reversal forming. That's the market saying the selling is done. When you see this as support in a downtrend that's been running hard, you're watching a potential turn in the market. So there you have it. Hammers, engulfing, dojis, shooting stars, and morning stars. These aren't complicated. They're not fancy. They're the real market signals. But here's the thing. Knowing them and using them, that's different. Start looking for these patterns on your charts right now. Don't trade them yet. Just see them. Get comfortable. Understand what you're seeing. Because when you combine these patterns with the support and resistance you already know, that's when you start seeing the market like a pro. What patterns are you going to spot first? Let me know in the comments.